What is comprehension? It is our opinion that comprehension is a scaffolded progression of skills needed to understand text that includes fiction, nonfiction, digital, and printed material. We begin with building the words, knowing the words, understanding the makeup of paragraphs, then moving to connecting text to meaning, and finally evaluating the information obtained. In order to fully understand each of these stages, one must develop the following skills to get a complete understanding of a text.
We begin with the strategies needed to build words. All readers need decoding strategies. These allow readers to break down the parts and sounds of words. Then, a reader needs the skills of word recognition, which flows into the automaticity and fluency of phonological awareness. Once the reader has developed the skills necessary to build words, comprehension progresses into whole words.
Readers begin to make personal connections with whole words, which allow them to recognize and understand words with automaticity. Prior knowledge is necessary to build connections and vocabulary. The vocabulary knowledge enhances the student's understanding toward the meaning of each word, which then progresses the reader towards how words go together and interact with each other in the form of a paragraph.
Within the format of a paragraph, readers take the next step towards comprehension by deciding the general purpose for reading. They do this by using text strategies. Building text structure knowledge, which includes genre, sentence, and text structure, allows readers to bring the information provided by the words into a simplified level of comprehension. In order for a reader to reach a more complex level of comprehension, they must begin to make meaningful connections.
These meaningful connections include connecting prior experiences to the text, such as world connections, personal connections, and text-to-text connections. Connections can also be formed from prior knowledge, including previously learned information. Complex comprehension is achieved when a reader categorizes each component of information and learns to connect similarly categorized information into meaning. This categorization must be accomplished by using evaluative strategy.
In order to evaluate information obtained through text, a reader must be able to pose further questions regarding read information. All information must be evaluated for validity, especially with the changes in 21st century literacy. In turn, to evaluate the validity of information, the source of the text must also be evaluated.
When all these stages, skills, and strategies are completed, the reader has then reached a level of complex comprehension. By doing only some of these stages, a reader may achieve a simplified form of comprehension. But true comprehension requires the mastery of each stage.